everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add shell border to your top. So I'm just going to take the yarn, make a slip knot, insert the hook, attach the yarn, and then I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3. And then in the fourth one, I'm going to make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. And then I'm going to do another 3 double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. So this is our first shell ready. So now I'm gonna skip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the sixth one I'm gonna make another shell. So that's 1 double crochet, that's 2, that's 3, and then chain 2, and then make another 3 double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. So this is our second shell ready, and now I'm just going to carry on, and I'll meet you at the very end of the round. Hi, I'm back. I have completed my border, and this is what it looks like so far. I personally think it's a very nice and easy stitch to do, and it makes your project look more finished. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.